Welcome! Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how easy you can reset your password. So the first you have to tap on the settings icon on your remote control. Next you have to go for the all settings. Right now you have to go for the general, click on the safety and move to the reset password. Right now the first and the default password it's 4 times 0, so you have to tap on it on the remote control, but you can also make it by using this numbers right here with your pointer. Click OK, and as you can see right now we use our previous password, and right now we can use our new password. So I'm going to set it up as very common 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click OK, then we have to confirm this password. Click OK another time, and right now when you want to reset something, for example, I will show you how it looks when I try to change the broadcast country. Right now I have to input my new password, right, to enter this settings broadcast country. So just input our new password and there it is. And of course the same will happen when you try to make some locks on the inputs or TV programs. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.